Let's bring in jury consultant Jo-Ellan Dimitrius, you know that name, part of the team that helped acquit O.J. Simpson. NewsNation legal analyst and trial attorney Sara Azari, and criminal defense attorney Arthur Aidala. I will spare you what Arthur said when he came in to my studio because I don't want to prejudice the audience against him. Jo-Ellan Dimitrius, everyone agrees that the jury is always fundamental to the outcome in any trial, but here especially so because, and what do you see in the composition?
Well, I suspect I may know what was said to you before we came on air. Having that many women, certainly to me, would be indicia that perhaps the prosecution has an advantage in this case. I suspect the defense probably wanted to have more women because they think they're going to be more sympathetic, but that said, we do have a female as a victim. So that presents some problems. And the jury, bottom line, is definitely going to determine the outcome of this case, and all of their biases, political leanings were taken into consideration during this jury selection. Chris, there was a very short questionnaire that was given to these prospective jurors prior to them even coming in to jury selection that basically had kind of name, rank, serial number, but it did have their political leanings, and it did have if they've ever been a defendant in a case. With social media checks that we now do in any high-profile case, both teams should have known exactly where each individual person was coming from, even before they walked in the door this morning.
Arthur Aidala said yesterday on the show, I want to know where they get their news. Turned out the prosecution did as well. What did it reveal, and what does it mean to you about whether or not these people can be fair?
Well, of the last, I guess, 4 or 5 years now, maybe more, Alec Baldwin has really come back into the forefront of celebrity by imitating Donald Trump, and not in a very complimentary way. So if you're a real Trump person, you might not be thinking too kindly of Trump. And in fact, his defense attorney did ask about that. Do you know my client? I mean, Chris, it's always hard when you're a defense attorney and your client is a well-known person. It's like handling Jell-O. It's much more difficult. And he said it. Maybe there's a movie he was in that you didn't like, or maybe there was an impersonation you didn't like. So he didn't ask specifically about Trump. And then you just keep your fingers crossed that the jurors answer you honestly, and they don't just lie to you and say, oh, no, I have no problem with it, and they actually do.
Well, Sarah, you probably don't handle Jell-O very well because you know how to eat without your hands. But when you look at what happened here today, you say note the entrance video, but also note the haircut, which, of course, made me bristle because I was like, what do I care about his damn haircut? What is this? But you say it's because you're a dope, Cuomo, and there's actually insight here. What does that video mean to you? What does his haircut mean to you?
You actually said the haircut's good for extra, not Cuomo.
That's what I said.
Look, the video, look, you always say media is negative. We criticize Donald Trump for not having his family in court. Now we're criticizing Alec Baldwin for having his family in court. I don't really see it as a PR move because Hilaria has been very supportive of him from the very beginning. This child is almost barely 2 years old. It's disruptive for a child to be inside a courtroom. So obviously, maybe she's breastfeeding, whatever, they're outside the courtroom. But it's one thing if he brought all 8 kids in, but this is like his wife who's been supportive and the baby. I don't see this as completely a PR move, although it could be. The haircut was really interesting to me because when I was on the Robert Blake case, long before we went to trial, we told him to keep the dye out of his hair and grow his gray because the optics do matter, especially with a celebrity. We don't want our client to look like he could potentially be the bad guy that's being charged with a bad crime. And so this hair, I mean, Alec Baldwin's always got this like disheveled, unshowered, horrible look that, I follow him on Instagram. And now he's got this neat haircut, perfectly full of product, doesn't move. It's just the antithesis of the chaos on the Rust set to me. So it's an interesting strategy that defense lawyers follow.
Sarah, hair is out. In other words, hair is not cool anymore. So if you really wanted to do something, you should just shave his head and just sit there and look handsome.
You have hair, Art.
First of all, Jo-Ellan, I'll have your take on this because clearly Arthur Aidala may know how to handle Jell-O, but he's a little out of his depth here. And the bounce off the top of his head is blinding me. So how important is it to a jury, Jo-Ellan, what they see in the defendant?
Oh, it's 100% important, in not only what they see of him in the courtroom, but what he's doing coming and going from the courthouse.
Hey, thank you for watching. Please go to newsnationnow.com, newsnationnow.com, and you can find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button down below. Then you will get more of News Nation's fact-driven coverage.